Hi viewers, I welcome you all to my channel. So in this video I will discuss about how to create constructor automatically in our Eclipse environment for an application class. So for doing that, first you have to install the Eclipse environment, and also you go to the file option where we can get the new project workspace. So click on the Java project and we have to name it. So I name it like this, constructor demo. Okay, then we have to click on finish button. So now the workspace is created. Afterwards, simply we have to create an application class. So I click on the workspace, then go to new, select class. Okay. So here we have to give the class name. So I make it as product. It does not come with the main function. Okay. So here I'm including the property like int product ID. Okay. The product ID, it could be in integer form. Then the product name can be in string type. Okay. Then I take the price of the product, which could be in double type, because there I can have the 14 type of values. Okay, so double price. So after this I want to have a constructor, which is what actually a special function. Okay, so what is constructor? Okay, so constructor is a special method which is in same class name. That means here the product, it is a class name. On the same name we can have a method. I mean, that is what actually a constructor. So, and one more thing, the constructor can be different types. Okay, like default constructor. Okay, so types of the constructor like default constructor. So which could be what help us to have the default values to our properties. Okay, default methods, then parameterized constructor. Okay. So here in this video you can find the parameterized constructor which can be made for this class. Okay, so for doing that, simply you click on the source option, come to what, select generate constructor using fields. We have like that. So click on that. So what happens is automatically it can select the properties what we have. Then I given like generate constructor comments. It will give us the comments about what about the properties involved in that. So after this, you see I click on generate button. So now you can see that, so product ID, product name, then price. Okay, which are the properties will be assigned. Okay, so these are the arguments actually, and these will be given to what, the properties. So to differentiate the properties and the parameters, we are using this. So this, it represents actually the current instance property. Okay, this is what actually a normal variable or parameter. Okay, coming from the method. Okay, so after this, what I'm doing is simply I want to display the results of them. So to display the results, okay, so I'm using the toString method. Okay, toString method will be defined automatically. Okay, to return the results, of the object in string form, in string. It does not display the results. It will give the results to the output method where the object of the product is called. Okay, so here you can see that also we can make it automatically. So click on source, then come to generate toString method. Okay, so it will select the properties, these are the properties I need, then click on generate. Okay, I can give like generate method comments also. Now you can see that what happens. Okay, yeah, now you can see that the product ID, in between that you can see the variables which are given in our code, name, then price. Okay, that's all about this. Automatically it could be created. So it is a very just a fraction of seconds it could be done. So with the help of that, the developers can reduce their effort. Actually these are what standard methods which are required in software development. That's why the automatic option which is given in our Eclipse environment to have such methods in our application code. So afterwards, what we have to do, we have to create a driver class where we can execute this method. Okay, so class, then main driver, like that I make it. Okay, where I can have the main method. So here only we are in a position to take the values for our object. Okay, I go with what, dynamic values here, sorry, static values here. So product P is equal to new product where I am passing the values here. Okay, first of all the ID, so 112, then product name actually, so fonts like that I'm giving, then I'm giving the price of the product, so that is what actually 30 rupees. Then I want to display the results of this. Okay, so this system.out.println, okay, or print. So where you can see the results of this. Okay, simply you can give the object variable here, object p. That's enough. Okay, no need to have any output method. There we what customize message, because already it is made by using what toString method. So this toString method will be called when the object which is given in the output statement. Okay, so here it calls toString method. Okay, toString method in product class. So no need to give like dot also. Actually here you see no need to give like toString like that also. You may be allowed to use it, but not required. Why you wasting the file space? Memory space may be wasted. Okay, so it is what inherited one. Okay, simply it will be called implicitly just by giving the object in the output statement. Okay, now execute that. You can see that, yeah, the results came for our given product class. Okay, so that's the benefit of using toString method. And also if you go with the Eclipse environment, what happens is easily you can create the constructors and also the toString methods automatically for our classes, application classes, which can be used in our driver classes. I hope you people understand about the meaning of constructor. Here one more thing you can understand about, this is what actually a parameterized constructor. This constructor takes the values to the properties of the product class. Okay, that's the thing. So this will be called, okay, this is what actually a parameterized constructor. So where or arguments constructor. Okay, so where it is what assigning the values to the properties of the product class. That's the benefit of using this one. Okay, I hope you people understand about the meaning of constructor and also how we can generate constructor and toString method automatically in our Eclipse environment. My dear viewers, in coming days also I will post many videos with respect to implement the basics in Java and also advanced programming development. You can refer my playlist to take the videos which can help you to be a good software developers in Java platform. Thank you for watching this. I request you to subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon to take the to get the new notifications, notifications for the new videos whenever get posted. Thank you for watching this.